look at my boxes. They open.
Rad, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Nyc Made, y'all, and I am back with another video. Okay, so y'all, as y'all can see, I got some boxes from TEMU. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join the mix crew or whatever. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, what's up? What's good, y'all? Time to open the next one. Now let's open this box. Open this. New. Okay. I'm gonna just take the stuff out of the box and then show y'all what it looks like. So y'all, these are just the rugs that I had just showed y'all. I told y'all I had bought more. So I'm gonna put them to the side. Let's look here. I got some more stuff in the box. It's just too much to put on the table right now. So, ooh, I'm gonna introduce some good stuff to y'all right quick. Okay. So, for my mental health brand, I decided that I was going to sell some stuff that was merchandise, like clothes, maybe, but not small because I already got a clothing brand, but also some little accessories. So I got this mental health keychain thing. It's my favorite thing of all things I'm going to sell for my mental health brand, because like it's so cute, like it's so like color. I love color. Like color just represents me, and it's also me putting myself in my brand. So it looks like this. It's very cute, little aesthetic type thing. Like, I love it. It's so cute. Like, but yeah, this is gonna be added to my website too. So we're gonna put this back in a little baggie. So, like I said, y'all supposed to be like baby theme for my mother's car. So I bought these like lip things. I bought these lip things. So I'm making on her AC thing for decoration. What's with them? She was like, what are those lip things? I was like, they go in your AC unit for decoration. They go in there for decoration. I'm going to show y'all Oreo's outfit, and then I'm going to show y'all him in it. Hopefully this one fits, because I don't even know. It might fit. It looks a little bit bigger than the other one I gave him. I got him this, because this represents him a lot. You see the dog that like the fight, like the bite? This is him. This is definitely him. So Oreo, I'm going to try to show you in a minute, because you being a little feisty. You don't want to cooperate. He got a little attitude, I guess. I don't know what's going on. I really don't. But anyway, put that there. What's this? I also got this phone case. I got the iPhone XR. So it says thank you, Lord. And you pretty much see it's clear and it has the words on it. So I'm not gonna take that out. I'm gonna put that to the side too. Open this. It's supposed to go inside my mother's car, where you know how you open your door and on the side they got those little things in the car door holder or whatever. In the car door. Not the car door, but like when you like to step out of the car, you know, those little things. It's gonna go on the side. So these little red diamonds, red silver diamonds. So yeah. So look at my boxes. They open. It says long neck one touch car mount. So it's supposed to go in my car. It's supposed to sit up. So I also can do my car videos like I see it. So it's supposed to sit like this, or however this is supposed to go. Let me start real quick. It's supposed to go on like this. It's supposed to go in here. And my phone's supposed to go on it, you know. So it's supposed to look like this, I guess. See it? It's supposed to look like this. So, yeah. And then this is another one. This is one I had bought, like the other one that you also hang up on the those things that you pull down in your car. It's just a smaller version. So I just lift this up somehow. I have no idea. I'll figure it out, but yeah, it's just gonna be these little 2 pieces. It's supposed to go in the thing and hang up. Put this back in the box. Put that there. I'm gonna show you my mental health blanket that I got. This is like open. So I bought a mental health blanket. Like I said, I want to sell some stuff on my website, like clothes and blankets as well. Stuff that just gives people comfort, because I love home decor because that gives me comfort. I love home decor because it gives me comfort. So that's just me. So I'm gonna show y'all this part. So it says, it's a mental health blanket, and it says, I have the time to listen. And then I'm gonna show y'all this part, because it's like a big blanket. So, and it says, your life matters. And it says, mental health awareness. So it has like this little sunflower in the middle, whatever, it's cute. So I'm gonna hang this up back here under my video. So yeah, that was another thing. I think this is my comforter. It's either the comforter or another blanket. It's the same kind as the game theme that I showed y'all. Yeah, this is the blanket. It's just the blanket theme with the gun, with the remote, the game remote or whatever. That's what it looks like. It's just like a big little game controller. It's all. It's cute though. It's real nice looking. It might be like a cute boy theme, but I don't care because I'm cute. I don't care because it's cute. So put this here. So y'all, I just broke another nail. So I only got a thumbnail on and these nails. Whatever. First, I'm going to show y'all my shoes that I got. Ah! Okay, these are so cute. Like, I saw them and I was like, ooh, I gotta have them. I gotta have them. I gotta have them. Because I love fur. And these are cute. Like, I told you, color represents me all the way. Color, color, color. And I love fur. So, you know I had to cop them. I thought I bought 2. I don't think I bought 2. I think I just bought these ones. Because the other ones went all that. But these are very, very cute. Oh my gosh. Look at them. I'm definitely going to be wearing these. Because it's cold outside. So I bought them at the right time too. And then I'm going to show y'all. So these is like the red theme that I was going to on the car. Like I said before. And they like the little, they got butterflies, red and black butterflies on them. So these like the seat covers that I'm going to put in her car. This is neat. So it looked like this. So like I said, it got the red butterfly, red and black butterfly on it. It's the seat cover and whatnot. And it just looks like this. But it's gonna look better when I show y'all the car. So I'm just showing y'all a brief representation of it. That's all. Put that back in there. Close this in there. There's that. I kind of want her to see it afterwards. So yeah. Let's open this and see what this is, because this is in my way. And excuse the way I open my packages, y'all, but this is how I open my mail. I do not open them the proper way. So, oh, this is just the holder. It's just the holder for the ring light. That's all. And then this is just what the ring light looks like. Whatnot. Looking like I'm not gonna open that away. It's just like a regular one. So here's the other seat covers for the purple car I'm decorating for somebody else. So this is a seat cover. It's what it look like. It's just like purple and black. It's kind of like plain, but I'm gonna hook it up. So, and the car is gonna look dope. Cause you know I hook stuff up. Y'all saw what I did in my first video when I put the little doggy paw ones in. That was just the first one. I was just getting started. I was like, yup, let me go ahead and do this. And y'all, that's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. I'm gonna try this one with Oreo before I go. Mommy, bless you this. Look, we gotta take this off though. Now let's try this one on. I think this one might fit you a little bit better than the other one. I'm sorry. Put your face in. Up here. Okay. Let me do it. You gotta let mommy do it so it can look right. What's she doing to me? Let me see. Oreo. See, this one fit a little bit better. Oh, you're cute. You're a cutie. You cutie with a hoodie. Aww. See how I look at you now? You're cute. Aww. You mad at mommy because mommy keep bothering you? You be doing the same to me? The audacity. But anyway, y'all, that is the end of my video. I can't wait to see y'all in my next ones. So, yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.